What's up, everybody? Brian here at 760 Cards and More, and hot off the presses, we got 2019 Topps Heritage Baseball. I've got a love-hate relationship with this product. I mean, I love the throwback design and the different variations, the purposeful airs that they put in there to match what the sets look like back, like this is the 1970 design. But the thing I don't like about Heritage is, as a reseller, you're only guaranteed one hit in a box, and it's not even guaranteed to be an autograph. It could be a basic jersey card. And it's just, the chase isn't quite there, but I know there's a lot of fans of this product, so I know I can do well with the singles. So, my rant aside, let's get into this. Oh, and before I get started, if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe. I'm 3 away from 100 as I make this video right now. Be sure to subscribe. Once I hit 100, I will be giving away that set of Bowman Baseball. Check that out. Also, check out my free giveaway Friday videos, my Follow the Flip, which kind of stalled, so I have to rework that a little bit. But yeah, make sure you subscribe. Once I hit 100, I'm giving away that set. We're almost there. We're 3 away. So, all right, enough of that. Let's get to doing what you came to see. We've got 24 packs per box. We've got a box topper, and it looks like we've got one of the regular cards. All right, we'll do the box topper first. And it is 1970 original Del Unser. Let's see, they put the new stamp on there for the 50th anniversary of 1970 Topps. So Del Unser, that's not a bad condition card for 1970. So, all right, here we go. Now, I'm not going to know the short prints and everything right off the bat without researching it. So, all right, we got Tyler White, Brewers rookies of Corbin Burns and Nate Orth, Max Kepler, Joe Leclerc, Matt Carpenter, Denard Span, Cardinals rookies Edmundo Sosa and Adolis Garcia, Aaron Judge, Sporting News, and Eduardo Rodriguez, Red Sox. So yeah, all the cards numbered from 401 to 500. Like that one is number 438. Those are short prints, so that's a Matt Carpenter short print. They've also got French text variations. They've got color swap with the team variation. They've got in-action photos. So a lot of different variations. So when I'm done, I'll go through all the codes to see if I got one of those, and then we'll throw it into the recap. But for right now, let's just get going. Tyler Skaggs, Andrew Kashner, Mark Trumbo, Jose Quintana, the then and now of Jim Perry, Blake Snell, Carl Edwards Jr., World Series champs, Raisel Iglesias, and Nolan Arenado. All right, Braves rookies Chad Sobotka and Bryce Wilson, Max Stassi, Jurickson Profar, Chris Iannetta, David Dahl, John Gant, Jameer Candelaria, Steven Matz, and Sporting News of Jose Ramirez. If I get a jersey and I notice it before I go, I will put it off to the side and do that last. The autographs could just pop up anywhere from what I've seen. All right, Travis Jankowski, Tigers rookies Christian Stewart, Doel Lugo, Eduardo Nunez, Russell Herrera, Garrett Cole, Ken Giles, Ketel Marte, and Whit Merrifield. Oh, and Ben Gamel. Wow, only one insert so far. Again, it's a love-hate relationship I've got with this product. I don't know what it is, but I figured if I get it, I can get some 2019 into my store, and that could draw traffic to my store for other years and other products I've got. So, all right, Ender Inciarte, Jameson Talon, Steven Wright, Randall Gritchuk. There's a Mookie Betts New Age Performers, Marcell Ozuna, Yankees rookies Chance Adams, Jonathan Loaisiga, Mitch Garver, and JBJ slams the Astros into orbit. All right, Colton Wong, Tommy Pham, batting leaders Mookie Betts, JD Martinez, Jose Altuve, Justin Turner, Derek Rodriguez, Hunter Renfroe, David Peralta, Jose Peraza, and why was he turned upside down? Lance McCullers Jr., could be a short print. I'll have to look into it. But he was turned upside down, so we'll put him off to the side and do some research. All right, we got Zach Godley, Sal Romano, John Gray, Matt Boyd, a New Age Performers of Mitch Haniger, Carlos Rodon, Sporting News Pierce. We got Marlins rookies Austin Dean, Isaac Galloway, Pablo Lopez, and Javier Baez. All right, Marco Gonzalez, Miguel Sano, Tony Watson, Francisco Cervelli, RBI leaders JD Martinez, Chris Davis, Edwin Encarnacion, Mike Foltynewicz, Braves rookies Colby Allard, Tuki Toussaint, Kyle Wright, Colin McHugh, and Ian Happ. All right, that's 1/3 of the box down. Still waiting on our hit. Cardinals rookies Daniel Ponce de Leon, Dakota Hudson, Yu Darvish, Hector Rondon, Mike Zunino, New Age Performers of Jacob deGrom. I'm sorry, he just does not look the same without the long hair. Kyle Schwarber, Yoshihisa Hirano, is that Chasen Shreve? And Cesar Hernandez. All right, Mitch Moreland, Jesse Biddle, Ryan Yarborough, rookie cup card, Kyle Freeland, Justin Verlander, Matt Chapman, Travis Shaw, Nelson Cruz, and Luke Voigt. Yohan Moncada, Ryan Healy, Tyler Mahle, Steven Souza Jr., Sean Manaea, Marcus Semien, Brad Peacock, Dylan Bundy, and Matt Kemp. Brandon Morrow, Evan Longoria, Howie Kendrick, strikeout leaders Scherzer, deGrom, and Patrick Corbin. Got a baseball flashbacks, hot corner hijinks. Is that Brooks Robinson? Nice little insert. Gregory Polanco, Hernan Perez, Jan Gomes, and Kevin Gossman. Oh, come on. Looks like we got something in here. I'm going to save that one till the end because I don't know what that is. And this could be a hit too. Or is this just an insert? Alright, we'll see. Cody Bellinger, Wade Davis, Chase Anderson, Reds rookies, Blake Trahan and Jesus Reyes, Matt Kemp, Max Scherzer, Corey Dickerson, Matt Strom, and Joey Lucchesi. All right, Jonathan Villar, Giants rookies Chris Shaw and Aramis Garcia, Elvis Andrus, Astros rookies Kyle Tucker and Cionel Perez. We got our first Chrome, Jose Barrios. That should be numbered to, focus, 999. It's there, trust me. It just won't focus. Alex Wood, Dylan Betances, Nunez, and Paul Goldschmidt. Andrelton Simmons, Anthony Rendon, Kendrys Morales. God, is he still playing? Jeez. Wade LeBlanc, John Lester, the dominant Kershaw, Keon Keela, Irvin Santana, and David Price. All right. The last third of the box. I'm assuming whatever that is the hit. I can't tell by the edge of what kind of hit it is, but we'll see. Wellington Castillo, Michael Conforto, Darren O'Day, CC Sabathia, Wilson Contreras. Oh, that's the auto. So yeah, the autos just pop right up because they're on card and there's no telling where they are. Well, there you go. Wilson Contreras, on-card auto. All right, so now I'm wondering what's in that pack right there. Gerardo Parra, Colin Moran, Pirates rookies Nick Birdie and Alex McRae, and James Paxton. All right, we got Cubs rookies. James Norwood, Dwayne Underwood Jr., Shane Carl, Todd Frazier, Wilmer Defoe, Nolan Arenado, Nationals rookies Jimmy Cordero, Austin Voth, Steve Cishek, Noah Syndergaard, and Leonis Martin. We got Daniel Mengden, rocking the mustache. Check that out. Dexter Fowler, Pirates rookies Kevin Newman, Kevin Kramer, Robinson Cano, New Age performers of Walker Buehler, Kyle Hendricks, Masahiro Tanaka, Brent Sutter, whatever, and Chris Sale. Oh, I know what that might be. That might be one of those scratch-off game. Daniel Robertson, Ryan Braun, Dustin Pedroia, Scott Kingery, Justin Turner, Mookie Betts, David Price, Mike Trout, Salvador Perez. Robinson Chirinos, Brandon Drury, Shane Bieber, Orlando Arcia, Andrew Benintendi, Tommy Hunter, Jose Abreu, Justin Bauer, and Didi Gregorius. We got Juan Nova, Josh Reddick, Julio Tehran, Cole Calhoun, the News Flashback, Venera 7 first descend data from Venus surface. And we got Zach Wheeler, Orioles rookies Paul Fry, Cedric Mullins, Austin Wynns, Dustin Fowler, and Jose Martinez. Couple packs left. All right, Luis Castillo, Alan Hansen, Jorge Polanco, Joey Gallo, Trey Turner, Isaiah Kiner Falefa, Isaiah Kiner Falefa, Caleb Cowart, Hyun-Jin Ryu for the Dodgers, and Jaime Barria. All right, we've got Adalberto Mondesi, Martin Prado, Rays rookies Nick Cufo and Andrew Velasquez, ERA leaders American League Blake Snell, Trevor Bauer, Justin Verlander. We got a then and now of Bob Gibson and Max Scherzer, Avisail Garcia, AJ Minter, Ross Stripling, and Jay Bruce. All right, last pack. And I'm guessing this is one of those scratch-off game cards. Alex Gordon, home run leaders Arenado, Story, Carpenter, and Yelich. Got Jeremy Jeffress, Padres rookies Jacob Nix, Luis Urias, and yep, scratch off, of Lorenzo Cain. And we got the Astros rookies, Framber Valdez, Josh James, Dean Dietz, Alex Colome, Juan Lagares, and finally Pat Neshek. So there you go, 2019 Topps Heritage. Let me go through, see if I find any short prints, super short prints, variations, whatever. I'll be right back with a wrap up of 2019 Topps Heritage. Hang on just a second. Hey guys, if you're not subscribed to me already, subscribe now. When I hit 100 subscribers, I will be giving away this 1990 Bowman complete baseball set. Binder, pages, 500 and however many cards are in this set will be yours, scot-free, one winner, when I hit 100 subscribers. Sub today. Alright, here we go with the wrap-up of the 2019 Topps Heritage. Some base cards spread out here. I went through everything, went through all the codes, did the research. So, in our box topper, we got the Dell Unser, the 1970s buyback. So, then we got our short prints, numbered 401 up to 500. We got the Benintendi, Trey Turner, Nolan Arenado, Matt Kemp, John Lester, Sean Manaea, Matt Carpenter, and Garrett Cole. We got the baseball scratch-off insert, Lorenzo Cain, the News Flashback, Venera 7, baseball flashback of Brooks Robinson. We got the Chrome, Jose Barrios, numbered to 999. We got the then and now, Bob Gibson, Max Scherzer. Then and now, Jim Perry and Blake Snell. You got the New Age performers of Walker Buehler, Jacob deGrom, Mitch Haniger, Mookie Betts, and then we did wind up out of the entire box getting one variation. It is the Justin Verlander Team Color Swap variation. This the original card is a short print, number 426, but on the original short print, the Astros team name is in yellow. On this variation, it is in red. So we managed to get one out of the entire box. Team Color Swap variation, Justin Verlander for the Astros. And then the hit of the box, Wilson Contreras for the Cubs, on card, blue ink, autograph. So, not too bad of a box. I still have a love-hate relationship with this product, but it is what it is. So, there you go. That was the brand new 2019 Topps Heritage Baseball. Be sure to like and comment. Like the video, comment on the video. If you're not subscribed already, please subscribe. I'm 3 away from giving away that set at 100 subscribers. We're right there. 3 more subscribers and we're there at the 100. Let's see if we can't do that by this weekend. Also, stay tuned tomorrow for Free Giveaway Friday. You still have time to get into last Friday's. Find that video, Free Giveaway Friday. Comment which product you want to buy, you want to win. I'll be giving that away tomorrow and adding more stuff to the giveaway for next week. So keep an eye out for that. As always, thanks for watching.